Hi, I'm Bob Brackle with New Age Industrial. New Age is one of the largest aluminum extruders in North America. We're in Kansas and we shoot over 4 million pounds of aluminum a year. This is what the aluminum looks like. This is a slice of the billet. This is what we get in. We heat it up to 1100 degrees. With pressure, it's forced out and the shape comes out that we're after. That's where we come up with all these different shapes. This is a slice of that billet. You can see it's pure aluminum. It's virgin aluminum. It's not recycled. This is also what one of the dies would look like when they push through for like that type of a shape. Over on this side, I wanted to talk to you about pallets. Aluminum pallets seem to be a very hot item right now. People are looking for pallets that are heavy duty, that are going to last. They're looking for something that will not rust, but they also have an exact need for that pallet. If they're using wood, they're not going to buy aluminum. If they're using a cheap plastic, they're not going to buy it. If they're buying a good plastic pallet, they're going to spend $130, $150. It's going to have metal particles in it because it's in some processing. It's going to have UV resistant, fire retardant. When you do that, you lose the value, the strength of the plastic. The more additives you add to it, the softer it gets. In my case, I've got all 100% aluminum here. This is already innately 100% metal detectable. It's fire retardant. You know, we've got everything here that the other ones have, only more. It's going to outlast any plastic pallet 10 to 1. Now on this top pallet, this one is an FDA pallet. When I say FDA, this is the side leg extrusion. It's open. It's easy to clean. When you look at this channel here, this is an open channel. Again, easy to clean. So you're going to be in an FDA facility. It can be hosed off, cleaned, and it would be acceptable. Any kind of food processing, meat processing, this is the pallet you're going to want. If you don't need the benefits of that, then you're going to go to the pallet down below here. And this is a tube frame pallet. This one's 40 by 48, just like this one. This is the top stringer right here. It's just a lightweight tube. It doesn't need to be that heavy. This is the key to this one. This is the bottom stringer that goes underneath here. The reason we put a web in there, and you don't see that, but it's at a 45, so when you roll your hand jack, it'll roll over it real smooth and easily. And then this is the stanchion that holds that up. A lot heavier duty, so it's got to take that weight, and that's what holds it in place. The other most important thing that we bring to the table that no one else can do, so we can do 1 or we can do 100. It doesn't matter what you want. We can make this 48 by 48, 50 by 50, whatever size you want. That's what sets New Age apart from the competition. Last year, we did 70 to 75% of our product was custom. You're not ever going to hear that anywhere else. And these are recyclable. Again, there's a value of $25. You're gonna use them in an enclosed environment. Otherwise, they're going to be out in a shopping cart going down the road. So if you need any pallets at all, call us. Let us know. New Age Industrial, Norton, Kansas. Thank you.